Alright, so for this particular problem, we have a 2 in front of this parentheses squared. Now, one of the most common mistakes that students make is they want to distribute before they actually apply the 2 exponent. So we're going to rewrite this so that I have my 2 parentheses without the exponent. So that means 3x minus 2 multiplied twice. And I'm actually going to multiply these 2 parentheses first. So I'm going to do that box method and I'm going to multiply the 2 pieces. So I have 3x minus 2, and that's going to be on the top of my box, and I have 3x minus 2 on the side in my rows. So we have 3x and 3x, that's going to give me 9x squared. We have 3x and negative 2 is going to give me negative 6x. We have negative 2 and 3x is also going to give me negative 6x, and negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. So when we combine like terms here, that's going to leave me with 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. Now we cannot forget that this 2 right here needs to be brought down. So this whole parentheses that we just, or this whole expression that we just multiplied needs a parentheses so that we can distribute the 2. Plus 3x minus 2 from the original problem. So now we're going to distribute, and we're going to distribute to all 3 pieces. So we have 18x squared minus 24x plus 8 plus 3x minus 2. All right. So now at this point we're going to combine like terms. So my like terms here are going to be negative 24x and 3x and 8 and negative 2. So we're going to combine those, and my final answer that I got for g m of x is going to be 18x squared minus 21x plus 6.